Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready, kids? Let's build a zoo and learn some zoo animals' name and some farm animals' name. Are you ready, kids? Let's start.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
There are trees,
Old
a
MacDonald
toy.
had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
The first animal is a lion king. A lion is the king of forest.
Here and a
This is a lion.
everywhere.
A lion goes.
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
The next animal is camel. This is camel.
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
The next animal is giraffe. This is giraffe.
Here and a there.
Giraffe. Giraffe is a very beautiful animal. The next animal is a panda. This is a panda.
Old MacDonald had a farm,
The next animal is
and on his farm he had some ducks.
alligator. This is
Here
alligator.
and a